How to unblock someone on Plenty of Fish. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll show you how you can unblock someone on Plenty of Fish dating account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you might have blocked someone from the Plenty of Fish dating app, but then you notice that there isn't an option to go ahead and then actually unblock them. So how do we unblock it? Well, you have to understand that from the application you will not be able to unblock, and many people might not seem to know this, that there is a way to unblock users on POF website. So what you need to do is, instead of the app, you have to simply go ahead and then launch your browser. And then once you launch your browser, you have to come to this URL, which is pof.com/blocked users. Then you want to type in .aspx. So you just want to go ahead and type in /blocked users and then type in aspx right over here. So go to pof.com/blocked users.aspx, because I'll make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. Now when you go to this URL from the website, whether you're using Google or mobile or iOS or Safari browser, you have to log into your POF account, right? And then after you log into your POF account, it will take you to a page where you'll be able to see a list of all of the people you have blocked. In my case, my account still needs verification pending. That's why I'm not being able to log in from browser. But in your case, you should be able to log in from your browser when you go to that URL, as I said. And I repeat, I'll make sure to drop that link down below, so you can click on that link, verify your account, and then unblock all of those users over there. And that's all it takes to unblock someone on POF. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.